How to kill pine trees. Sometimes pine trees can grow like weeds in your lawn or pasture land, and if you don't get rid of them you'll be living in a forest. You may have pine trees growing in the wrong spot and you need to kill them to clear the area. Too many pine trees in pasture land make it hard for cattle to find food and walk around. You can kill those pesky pine trees in a number of ways. Things you will need: sharp knife, drill with large bit, brush killer concentrate, long copper nails, lighter or matches. Ban the pine trees by removing a 3-inch strip of bark going around the trunk. Make sure you cut and remove the bark in the strip. Drill a hole into the pine tree with a paddle or spade bit on a drill. Slant the drill bit at a 45-degree angle, and drill down as deep as you can. Remove the drill bit, and then fill the hole with a specially formulated product that is concentrated and designed to kill brush. If you have many small trees that are 2 to 3 inches in diameter, mix 2 ounces of 41% concentrate to 1 gallon of water. Pour this into your sprayer and spray the pine trees. You may have to repeat the applications 2 or 3 times before the trees are dead. Be careful not to spray on a windy day or the wind will carry the herbicide to other plants and kill them. Do not use if rain is in the forecast or the rain will wash it away. Hammer some long copper nails into the roots of the pine tree. It will take some time, but eventually the pine tree will get sick and die. Use the longest copper nails you can find. Burn the trees. If you live in a rural area and the pine trees have claimed your pasture land, do a controlled burn. Do not start burning on a windy day or when the conditions are extremely dry, or your fire will go out of control. Tips: warnings. Do not use any of these methods on someone else's tree without their permission.